Hello guys, welcome to the Fusion 360 exercise 5. Today we will be making this 3D shape as shown in this figure, and we will be mostly using the mirror feature of the Fusion 360. Let's go into the Fusion 360 interface. Yeah, so what happens here is we will be bisecting this 3D structure from here and make a mirror object of this half part. Okay, so let's make this rectangle. Okay, 30 by height is 30 by 30, and I said 30 by 30. Okay, create sketch, select the front plane, and press R for rectangle. 30 by 30, 30 tab 30. Yeah, so finish sketch, and from this point to the center line, it has a dimension of 25 mm, the symmetrical dimension. Select this profile, E for extrude, and make it 25. Okay, so this half part is done. We will mirror out the second part, so don't worry about that. So we will make this cutout here. The cutout structure is like this. The cutout structure, what we will be doing, 10 from the center, so from the center here 5 mm. Okay, select this plane, create a sketch. So this is a center line, this one is a center line, 5 here and 5 here, so let's make 5 mm here. Okay, and close this profile, finish sketch. So it has a height of 10 mm, 30 minus 10 is 20 mm. Select this profile, E for extrude, minus 20, type here minus 2020. Yeah, this part is done. So what happens here is this one is 10 mm from the center point, 10 mm, 10 mm. Yeah, check this here, create sketch. This is the center line, 10 mm. Okay, yeah, 10 mm, and let's make a L, press L, ten mm means 5 mm. Why 5 mm? Because the size is 10 mm, so we are making this line from the center, so 5 mm from there. Okay, and select mirror here in the sketch, and the objects line are mirror lines are this, and select this mirror line in the center here. Yeah, this okay, and finish sketch, E for extrude, select these two lines and in the negative direction, cut operation. So I think our this one part is done, so we need to mirror out this second in opposite direction here in this structure. So don't worry, so there should be a mirror option of the this is a body. Okay, from here I mean here, mirror, we need to mirror the body face feature component. This is a body, so this select this body, and mirror plane is this plane. Okay, select this plane, operation join or new body, you can do it anything, join, it will become like this. Yeah, this is done. Yeah, 10 mm. So yes, our 3D shape is done. In this tutorial we get to learn more about the mirror feature of the mirroring of sketch lines and mirroring of the body structures. So thank you for staying with us.